Janice Lamb here, Everyday Chaos Home Remodel. Today we are working on
the floors. We get to install them finally. Let me show you what's going on.
We're gonna cut some pieces real fast and then we're gonna head back up there. We're starting in Levi's room today and he decided he did want to come help for a second. Yeah, it actually looks pretty easy, like it's gonna go by pretty fast. Just gotta line it up and then snap it right in. And then, yeah, we decided to go with this flooring instead of tiling the whole house, more cost effective. We also decided no on carpet from our last house, and our dog is really hairy. And then you just want to line it up real good and then grab your mallet and hit it with that little yellow thingy. Yes, I don't know what it's called. But yeah, it is actually pretty easy. It was easier on the other side than that side, we found out. But once we started to get it going, we went pretty fast. You will see me here in just a second. I kind of have a boo-boo. I burnt my fingers and then I smashed those fingers using the mallet later on. It was real fun. It was great. If, by the way, you ever do burn your fingers, I have a great remedy. It is lavender oil and raw honey, and then you bandage it up and just let it sit there all day. And then at the end of the day, your skin will absorb all the honey and you will not have a burn anymore. And I'll leave a link below for you to get your lavender oil if you'd like. And taking down some more measurements. Getting closer to the wall was a little bit harder, but overall I highly recommend these floors. We purchased this floor from Costco. Starting on this next floor, we need to sweep our area and then we can get started laying them all out. Measuring up to the wall, adding the little yellow tabby thingies, getting your first row is a little bit difficult, but super easy at the same time, and then from there you just kind of fly. Difficult as in, as you're going along, it starts to shift out of place, and so it's no longer straight against the wall, and so you just have to kind of like reshift it until you get the next 2 rows going. Then it's like super easy. The knee pads, by the way, we highly recommend. They are so worth buying. I don't know how we ever got away with those other kind. Those other kind are nothing compared to these. All right, now we got this nice new floor in. Now maybe we can start moving in up here. They even all picked out their own rugs for their rooms, and I'd say they love it. I'm excited. Woo! Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Love you guys.